Like a light, 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 like a light.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video from your girl. So today I'm going to be installing this wig by Wiggins Hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace wig in 24 inches, and the knots on this lace are pre-bleached and it is also pre-plucked. So today I'm actually going to be trying a new hairspray. I ordered this hairspray from Erica J, and I actually saw it on I think I saw it on Instagram or something like that. It was like an ad. I was already looking for a new hairspray to try out anyways, because y'all know Evan had a lot of controversy, and I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. So I'm using this hairspray by Erica J. It's like a wig grip spray, and I'm going to be using this to install my wig today. So first I'm just using it on my ball cap. I'm just spraying it along my hairline to get the ball cap in place. And this is actually my first time using it, so I guess I'll give like a little review at the end to tell you guys my thoughts and opinions. But yeah, after I spray that, I'm just gonna dry it with my blow dryer and make sure it is fully dry. So after I cut off the excess wig cap, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Coconut on this little brush. And I'm just going to take this and apply it to the wig cap just so that it can match with my skin tone. And it really just gives like that ball cap effect. And y'all, I'm not a professional ball capper, so not too much on me, okay? It ain't perfect, but it did what it needed to do. And I'm just cleaning up the makeup on my skin with a little bit of alcohol, get rid of any makeup and stuff like that, so that it doesn't interfere with the products that I'm going to be using to lay my wig. And then I'm going to cut off the little side piece of the wig that's covering my ear. And I just trace out a little part with my finger, and then I'm just using my scissors to cut along that part that I made. And I just cut the little side piece off. And then I'm going to be taking my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And me personally, I really just use this to get like the wig in place. This really, to me, doesn't really do much at keeping your wig down, in my opinion. I don't think that is a really strong gel. I feel like gels in general are just not that strong at keeping your wig down. It's really the sprays that will keep it in place. And after I blow dry the gel to get it kind of tacky, you don't want it to be fully dry, you just want it to get tacky. And then I'm going to place the lace into that gel and press it together in place. And just hold it there for like 30 seconds to like a minute, just to make sure it's fully in place. Then I'm going to take the spray and I'm just going to spray that along the hairline. Make sure you have your elastic band ready, girl, because if you don't, this wig will start lifting real quick. So you want to spray it quickly and put that elastic band on quick too, because yeah. So I just tied that down, and I like to just keep this tied down for at least like 10-15 minutes. And while I'm having that tied down, I'm just going to go ahead and get this wig flat. So I'm just going to section off little pieces at the top of my hair, and I'm going to take my She Is Bomb wax stick and put this on the root of each section and go over it with my Andis hot comb on the hottest setting.
moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, start up a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole, and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit, Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life, and I'm recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you, the rest, instead of me on this shit. You know you supporting this shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist, and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she
So after I take that elastic band off, I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut like at a zigzag motion. And I'm just cutting the excess lace off. And normally I use a eyebrow razor to cut the lace off, but I just decided to use scissors today. I feel like it gave me a little bit more control of where I can cut the lace rather than using a razor. I still like using the razor, but I don't know. I think I prefer using the scissors to cut off the lace now. And then I'm going to go back in with the Erica J spray, and I'm just going to use my elastic band, take the elastic band and keep this on for another 10 to 15 minutes to make sure everything is completely melted. So as y'all can see, this hair did come with like body wave curls, but I think I left the wig out for like a couple of days, and by the time I came back to it, the curls had completely fallen, so I couldn't use the curls anymore. So I just decided to straighten the hair, and I'm using my Babyliss Pro flat irons. And I guess while I flat iron my hair, I'll give y'all my review of the Erica J melt spray. So I think it did a really good job on actually melting the lace, but I feel like the hold is not very long. But it actually does say on the website that it is a 24-hour hold. So if you're looking for something that's gonna last you days and days, this probably isn't it. But I actually do really like it because I personally don't wear my wigs long nowadays anyways, so it doesn't really bother me. But it did a really good job at melting the lace. If you need that strong hold, I'm gonna be for real, I don't really think that there's anything stronger than Ebin on the market. If I do find out, I will let you guys know. I'm gonna keep trying out different products, but as of now, you know, Ebin, as far as the whole of the lace, Ebin got it in the bag. But yeah, we just gonna have to keep looking.
yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the Adunana. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man.
So I decided that I wanted to do baby hairs with this wig install. So I'm just going to pull some out. I'm just using my comb and kind of tracing in a round part to pull out the baby hairs. And then I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and cut them at a slanted angle.
She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the Adunana. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man.
And then I'm going to use my pencil flat irons, and I'm just going to curl the baby hairs in an upward motion just to get them into shape before I actually mold them down. So to select my baby hairs, I'm going to be using the Lotta Body Mousse and also the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. And I basically just mix the two, and I'm using it on this edge comb. I just dip it in the gel, and then I dip it in my mousse, and I just lay my baby hairs. And I'm going in like a C motion, and I don't know, just laying them the best that I can lay them.
Let's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong, yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Pussy too good, drink too strong.
And then I'm going to go in with some liquid liner in this little pot from, I think this is from e.l.f. And I'm just using that to kind of add it to the parts where I feel like it was a little bit over plucked. And then I'm going to take some of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond, and I'm just going to trace out my part and get it super straight. To me, I just always have to cut the ends of my hair off when I have straight hair. So I'm just cutting them with my scissors, literally just cut them in a straight line. And then I take my flat irons and I'm just going to give them like a little bump. I don't know, I just love doing this to the hair. It just makes the hair look really, really full.
I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So me personally, I feel like closures are my strong point. I just feel like they're so much easier, and I just feel like I could whip a closure up real good. But when it comes to a frontal, it gives me like a little bit of a harder time. But I think I did really good on this one. I think it looks so cute. Y'all, I haven't laid a frontal in so long. So this was like, I don't know, it's like, this is kind of like learning how to do it all over again. But I think it actually turned out really good for me to not have done one for a while. This wig is by Wiggins Hair. And y'all, this hair is so thick. Like, you can just tell by the ends. Like, this wig is just so thick. I love thick hair, especially thick straight hair. Even though this wig did not come straight, it came body wave. If y'all are interested in purchasing this wig is by Wiggins Hair, and everything will be linked in the description right down below, so make sure you guys go and check it out. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn your post notifications so that you can always be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one.